It may be dangerous. Products that should not be heated in the microwave. A microwave is a very useful technique in the kitchen. With its help, you can heat, defrost and reheat a variety of foods and drinks, as well as prepare some dishes with minimal effort. However, there are some foods that should never be microwaved. They become dangerous when heated. 1. Mug of water. Heating water in a microwave oven, if you overdo it over time, can lead to overheating without boiling. After that, adding a tea bag to the mug or stirring the liquid, you can cause rapid boiling of water. Such a reaction often leads to the pouring of hot liquid, which is fraught with severe burns or at least discomfort. 2. Processed meat. Processed meat in the microwave is better not to heat. Not very useful substances lead to the formation of cholesterol oxidation products. Some scientists are convinced that they increase the risk of coronary heart disease. Microwaving burgers, hot dogs, and other similar foods is an easy way to make unhealthy foods even more unhealthy. 3. Eggs in the shell. You should definitely not try to boil an egg in the microwave. This is incredibly dangerous. The heat in the microwave forms steam inside the egg, which, with increasing pressure, will almost certainly lead to an explosion. And this is fraught with damage to the microwave oven or even more significant damage. 4. Chili pepper contains capsaicin, a special compound that determines the severity of the product. So this substance, when exposed to high temperatures, actively evaporates inside the microwave oven. Most likely, the pepper will not explode, but the fumes that get into the face when opening the microwave door will obviously not bring health benefits. 5. Broccoli. This is a very frequent guest of vegetable hot dishes and salads. Do not heat it in a microwave, because a large amount of useful nutrients are destroyed, for which this product is usually valued. Before you eat broccoli, it is better to steam them carefully. This will preserve all the nutrients and taste good. 6. Bread. Warming it in the microwave is a bad idea. According to scientific experiments, due to the fact that bread contains components such as gluten, starch and sugar, under the influence of high temperature, and then quick cooling, it becomes rubber.